Hi everybody, I'm Laura. Welcome back. And first I want to tell everybody thank you so much. I forgot to bring my drink out and I'm all like cotton mouth. Thank you so much for all the support on my last two videos. Yes, you're getting 3 in a row. Imagine that. The cough is going to sneak up on me. I'm sorry. Bear with me. I just got back home. I picked myself up a few things and went to the post office, and I had a little surprise box. You guys are crushing it on the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate all of you, and I love seeing the comments. Even if it's no more than a heart or a flower or a butterfly, thank you so much for doing that. It just warms my heart. Guys, if you have never checked out Back to Earth Creations, I will be linking her below. It is Yvonne. And I gotta tell you, she does so much. She makes her own cabochons, and they are beautiful. She shows how she makes them. She also does, oh, now I can't think of the word. Oh, why can't I think of it? With the glass and, oh my gosh, guys, we just got one in our previous feed box. Lamp work. Okay. And she does wire working. She does work with cosplay. She does beautiful headdresses. Oh my gosh. And she's gotten into tie-dye. If you do any like cosplay, or if you go to like Ren fairs and things like that, Ren Fest, guys, check out her website also. She does a Monday shop update. I haven't watched the one for today, but I don't always comment, but I always watch, and I do that with everybody, and I feel bad. I have some catching up to do because, you know, I haven't felt well, but last week I was the winner of her shop update, and you never know what you're gonna get. Each week is a little different, and I got one of her like little, she used to have like monthly boxes. They weren't a subscription. You bought her monthly goodie box. And we're going to open what my prize was. I am excited because I know part of what is in here, but she kept part of it secret. So, because the top shows our addresses, I'm going to cover it. So we're going to open this and we're going to see what I got. Again, please check out Back to Earth Creations. She does a lot of wire wrapping. Guys, her wire wrapping skills are absolutely stunning. If you want to watch wire wrapping from start to finish on a piece, she's your girl. So let's open this. She's got a little note in here. And hello, Laura. Thank you so much for being a part of our community. Thank you for congratulations on winning our giveaway. Happy crafting. I love watching her. She is amazing. So what I got was some of the cosplay clay. It's a lot like the what do you call it? Polymer. She does have instructions in here. I can't wait to get to work with these colors. I have a design in mind. I went and started rewatching some of her older videos. And what else do we have in here? I have one of her stickers. Look at the little froggy sticker. I'm gonna put this on my laptop. Isn't it cute? It is so cute. And of course, whoops, bake for 30 minutes at 275 per quarter-inch. And then we have all of her information, so you can check that out. Make sure that you join. And then we have some goodies in here. Looks like we might have something fantastic. I love the little purple. Let's get them out of here and see what we have. Oh, this has got two of something in here. Let's open this. And Yvonne, thank you so much for this wonderful gift. I cannot wait to start crafting. Like I said, she makes her own cabochons. She has her own kiln. And she can also look at these. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at those. That color is amazing. Those are beautiful. Okay. Now. Ooh. I can't wait. Let's see what's in here. I'm excited. Oh, look at this dichroic. Oh my goodness. Look at that. She does have on her website what is called groovy cabs. They have the groove in them to put wire around them. Look at that. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one I want to work with first. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. You can buy cabs. You can buy... she has a really beautiful leather purse. It is gorgeous. She does leather work. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. This yellow one is gorgeous. This is such a pretty orange. It reminds me of a creamsicle. Oh my God, that color is beautiful. And look at this one. I have ideas. I have ideas. Ooh, goodness, guys. These here, one is, well, no, they're just about the same size. But they will both make either earrings or, I don't know, I might just make them. I have ideas. I have ideas. Not against that. I don't know. Kind of like it against that bright green, but we might tone it just a bit. We're going to play, guys. But look at that baby. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So again, guys, watch Back to Earth Creations. Go to her website. I'm going to pull this up. Put it back in the box. You can buy cabs. You can buy them with a groove in them. I can't wait to play with this. That is so soft yet. Look at that. Ooh, I'm thinking I was going to make and use, but you know what? I'm seeing froggies. Ooh, I might make frogs. I might make frogs. I might make frogs. Okay, which one? Oh my goodness. I have ideas. This little yellow one is like screaming. Buttercup. I will be making designs. Oh, this one here, I know what I want to do with that. These here, that amber is just absolutely beautiful. If you want to see how she makes her cabs, go to her YouTube, and you can watch full videos. Bring you down so you can see them better. And how she makes these beautiful cabs. Look at that, it just looks like a galaxy. That is stunning. Let's see how many minutes I'm at. I have my phone upside down apparently. Normally I can just put my finger here and it'll show me 11 minutes. But I think they're both going to be a different but I want that glow behind them. They might get wire wrapped. There's a real simple wire wrap that you can do around these. I've seen her do them, and I don't know, these are both screaming something special, and I want to put a flower kind of thing. I don't know guys. I'm going to take a moment to design what I want for these, and my mind is going because I have to order a few things, and I'm waiting till after my procedure Monday before I do anything. But I have to order a few things because I just don't want to jump into baking this stuff and then ruining everything. But I'm excited for this adventure. I do need to go to her site because there's a couple things I saw on there I want to order. Like I said, everything has to wait. Again, Vaughn, thank you so much. You and Randy do so much work. Her husband kind of is behind the scenes doing things. And it is just absolutely amazing watching her. And she's got such a bright, when you hear her and watch her, she's just always so energetic, and it just comes through. So check out her channel, guys, and check out if you want to learn some fantastic wire wrapping that really brings you through it, that's not hard. She's with, that's where I would go. Also, she makes the most amazing things with cosplay, the cosplay. I'm talking full headdresses, guys. It's just amazing what she does. So check her out, and I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I'm going to get this uploaded, and I will talk to all of you down in the comments. I love each and every one of you, and thank you so much again, Vaughn. And I'm excited. These are beautiful, and oh my gosh, this just looks like the universe. I think I know what I'm going to do with it. I really do. I have an idea. So that will be coming up, and it will be with the cosplay. Ooh, you're going to like it. And this right here, yep, I have ideas. It's not going to be wire wrapped. All right, guys. Love you guys. I'll talk to all of you guys down in the comments below. And you will also see a video for tomorrow. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. I might just pull something out here and whip out a video real quick. But yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.